Welcome back to Build Your Anatomy. Today we're tackling a common issue many of you have asked about: how to alleviate low back pain with just one simple exercise. If you're looking for a solution that strengthens your back, enhances posture, and boosts your performance in various exercises, you're in the right place. Stay with us until the end of this video to learn everything you need to know about hyperextensions, a powerful exercise that targets the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Let's dive in and get your back feeling better than ever. Hyperextensions or back extensions are exercises where you extend your upper body at the hip joint while keeping your legs fixed. This movement primarily strengthens the back extensors, muscles crucial for maintaining proper posture and protecting your spine during physical activities in daily life. Regularly performing hyperextensions not only alleviates back pain but also enhances the muscle tone of your spinal column, serving as a preventive measure against back diseases and potential injuries like intervertebral hernia. Benefits of hyperextensions: strengthens core muscular structure. Hyperextensions fortify the muscles around your spine, helping to maintain posture and protect against injuries during strength training and everyday activities. Enhances performance in key lifts. By mastering powerful hip extension with a neutral back, you improve your performance in fundamental exercises such as squats and deadlifts, making hyperextensions beneficial for anyone looking to increase their lifting capabilities. Prevents muscle imbalance. In today's sedentary lifestyle, hyperextensions counteract the weakening of muscles due to physical inactivity, maintaining muscle tone and strength throughout the body. Improves joint and ligament strength. Continuous muscle tension during hyperextensions enhances the functionality of joints and ligaments involved in the exercise, contributing to overall joint health and stability. Choose the right type of hyperextension bench, either incline or straight. Each type has its advantages. Incline bench. Your legs are positioned at a 45-degree angle, making it easier to initiate the movement and manage the range of motion. Straight bench. This variant positions your legs almost parallel to the floor, intensifying the load on your buttocks for powerful pelvic extensions. Adjust the machine so the iliac crests, hip bones, don't touch the padding. Position your shins behind the lower rollers and firmly press your feet against the platform. Extend your body in a straight line from your feet to the top of your head, keeping a natural arch in your lower back. Cross your arms in front or place them behind your head. Slowly lower your upper body to the end of your range, ensuring your neck remains aligned with your spine. Smoothly rise to the starting position without using inertia. All movements should be controlled and deliberate. Begin with 1 to 2 sets of 10-15 reps without weights right after your warm-up in each workout. This activates your back muscles and prepares them for more strenuous activities. If using hyperextensions as a strength exercise, perform them weighted once a week, alternating with other hamstring and glute exercises. Aim for 3-5 sets of 8-12 reps with a weight that challenges the last few repetitions without needing to swing. Hyperextensions are a versatile and effective exercise that can dramatically improve your back health, strength, and overall fitness performance. Whether you're using them as a warm-up or as a key component of your strength routine, they offer numerous benefits that extend beyond mere pain relief. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out more videos on our channel to build a stronger, healthier body. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Build Your Anatomy, your ultimate guide to better health and fitness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below with your experiences or any questions you might have about hyperextensions.